So Delhi versus Mumbai, first versus second. It was probably like a really very hyped game. Considering this was like the mid-season game where 7 games have happened for almost all the teams today. RCB and KK are going to play the 7 game. Uh, Obviously, when the lineups came out, not for Mumbai, I don't think you will be surprised that the lineup was this. But for Delhi, at least, you would be surprised that Rishabh Pant had the winning combination was not being picked for this game. So, do you feel that there was some? What would you do? Would you still stick with this? What was there yesterday, or would you rather have Rishabh Pant and Hatmeyer in the team? Mohit?
Uh, Not sure about Hetmeyer, but yes, Rishabh Pant is a player to bank on for Delhi Capitals at any time. Like he can even give you that pinch hitting power play style hitting, and even he can take the slow games to a very good finish that Delhi Capitals always need.
Hmm.
And even like the first change which the debutant for Delhi Capitals, Ajinkya Rahane played yesterday. He gave us a good start. Like he played about 2 3 boundaries in the first second over itself, but then got out to Krunal Pandya. So that's okay. But even Hetman wasn't in that good touch that we could bank on, or we could take him always in at playing 11 for Delhi Capital. Yes,
Right.
talking about Rishabh Pant, he always should be considered as a playing 11, but again injuries and all happen. So we didn't have any good option like for a replacement again for Alex Carey or Ajinkya Rahane.
So, if do you think that it'll be a good option to go with Ajinkya Rani instead of Prithvi Shaw, considering that for the last few games his fielding has not been on point and his batting also has been not that what it was before at the start of the tournament.
No, like uh, both are good dependent players. Like if you see Prithvi Shaw gives us a good pinch hitting, like on Sharjah, like the previous match which he played on Sharjah, even Prithvi Shaw got injured in that match. During that match, he got hurt on his leg. But the dedication he showed in batting and the focus he showed, he is a player to bank on. But Ajinkya Rahane shows consistent. He is consistent. Where he at least gives a good start of 25 to 30 runs. Like not like yesterday, but Ajinkya Rahane is a player we should consider always in playing 11, and we can replace Hetmeyer by like Alex Carey came in. We can have two wicket keepers in the playing 11, and
Yeah,
Prithvi Shaw and Ajinkya Rahane both as well.
right. Ajit, other for Mumbai, it's a fixed thing. I think Mumbai that's what they do. They go with the
You.
first lineup. If it's the winning combination, they'll stick to that. But do you feel that considering sometimes Pattinson can be a bit expensive and he can leak a lot of runs and not take wickets either. Do you think that someone like Colton Knight could come in later in the tournament, maybe just to see how it goes?
Yeah, exactly. I think Pattinson is the only scope for any changes in the team. So either McLanagan or Coulter Nile could be given a chance just to see.
Give them
Like,
some game
I
practice
think,
also, just in case there's
yeah,
injuries.
yeah, yeah, exactly, yeah.
This match, I think, by the end of the first innings, I was like, it looks a tight game. It was a good contest of batting and bowling, and the fielding was also good in the first innings. It was a good all-round game of cricket to watch until the first innings, at least. Like second innings, of course, Mumbai took the game away right from I think ball one. Okay, first few overs initially they were slow until Rohit Sharma's wicket, but once Rohit got out and then Quinton de Kock got going, I think it was pretty much unstoppable. But in the first innings, obviously, like there's a reason why we feel that Delhi lost the game and Mumbai won the game. So for Delhi, from Delhi's perspective, Mohit, where do you think the game changed for Delhi?
There are 3 points where Delhi had the game in hand, but they lost it. First, the Shreyas Iyer wicket, which he lost to Krunal Pandya. That wasn't needed because on the first ball of his over, it was the 15th over,
Yeah.
and on the first ball he hit a boundary, and even five singles, like it goes for 9 runs and over,
Hmm.
or doubles, like one double and four singles, it goes for 10 and over and 10 and over for the 15th over is very good score. So that wicket shouldn't have gone. Again, the 17th, the 18th, and the 20th over which Bumrah bowled. From 12 balls, he bowled around 7 to 8 full toss balls,
Yeah.
which from the 12 balls, Delhi, Shikhar Dhawan and Alex Carey only hit one boundary for 4. That was on the 20th over. And Alex Carey got at least 4 to 5 full toss balls, which he couldn't hit them for boundaries, or like all them were for singles or doubles, which isn't expected in the last part of the game, like around the 16th to the 20th over.
Mhm.
So there we lost quite a momentum over which we could have a little more score on the board. And again, yes, 10 to 15 runs more would have a good contest again. But again, I thought that even 163 to get wasn't bad. Like if the misfieldings which we had, the catches which we dropped, that could have a impact on the game. So like uh, we can't tell anyone that the first innings was low, score was low, because if we see average matches played over there, the first innings whoever has batted well has won the game.
Mhm.
So we could have expected that 162 was also a good score, but again we had to be top notch on the fielding and the bowling which we bowled.
Right.
So yeah, fielding Prithvi Shaw again.
Yeah, I mean, if you look at it, the tide seems to be changing now. Now that the trend is basically you chase and you win. We saw Rajasthan win the other game. They lost 5 wickets for 70 runs, but they still won it somehow. And I mean, in other matches also, it's no more like bat first, put some total on the board. The pitches are getting slower as the tournament progresses, and teams have to obviously make some arrangements now. In on those terms, Mumbai seems like a good batting unit because we have seen them score 90 in the last 5 overs twice, and that too on the trot. So that's some kind of consistency. Uh, but in this match, especially again, uh, were you surprised to see something like Mumbai bowl this well and field this well? Because in the previous matches, somewhere they have done it, somewhere they haven't, and there have been half chances also. But this match, particularly in terms of all-round performance, Mumbai has been more, together in this performance at least. So where do you think it went right for Mumbai in this specific match?
Exactly. I think the scoreboard doesn't really do justice to the kind of game Mumbai played,
Right.
because they won like at 19.4, right?
Yeah, yeah. This
And
was the
that's
last one.
where, and that's where Rajasthan won the Tevetia in that 4 sixes wala game. So the dynamics were completely different. But I think Mumbai Indians won the game in the middle overs of both the sides.
Right.
Like when DC were playing, they had like after the 2 wickets, they piled up some runs and they
Yeah, they
were
had some
quite
90
stable.
odd runs in the first
Yeah,
innings.
yeah,
I was,
exactly,
I was,
exactly.
I thought 200 is going to be the score for sure.
But then I guess after 14 overs, they had like 105 or 110 runs.
Yeah,
So the middle overs were the key. And in Mumbai's batting too, it was a perfect example of a well-paced chase,
yeah.
because the start was kind of slow, but the middle overs, they really picked it up. Surya Kumara and Deacock. And I think they maintained a run rate of like 8.5 throughout the chase. So
Right.
that's like, perfect.
I think if you look at it, the difference between Delhi and Mumbai is the slight difference that I've noticed is experience in terms of carrying out the whole innings. Because Delhi, they could do it in front of other teams which weren't that balanced as such. You know, teams like uh, RCB at the start of the tournament, they were still like figuring out things. But against big teams like Mumbai, they still have to pull up their socks and get some experience on board, which Mumbai does have in their ranks.
True. And
Because obviously,
also considering the fact that Mumbai and Delhi can play like at least 2 times in
yeah,
the
yeah,
tournament
yeah,
again.
again, yeah. So I mean, it's a great contest to have between Mumbai and Delhi moving forward to the into this tournament again, because I'm sure like a lot of people would be saying this that Mumbai and Delhi look like certified finalists for this year's tournament at least the way they have played. But still, I mean, you never know. This is IPL. There's still 7 games to go. CSK can still make a comeback. Out of all teams, RCB can still go
Rajasthan,
down. Rajasthan also. Like the thing
Rajasthan.
is, now that Ben Stokes is back, now
But
I'm even more this thing about it. यार मतलब अब क्या? Because Tewatia is performing least expected person to perform. Riyan Parag, all of these small players who we have not known much about. It's great to see.
I think the Indian players are changing the game in like every match.
Yeah, like
Two Indian players, yeah,
there's new player every day.
like
exactly, yeah.
Dhoni changed the match for CSK the other night, and Tewatia changed the match for Rajasthan yesterday.
One standout player from both the teams for you guys, like both the teams from Delhi and Mumbai. Who do you think was that one player from each team?
For me, for Mumbai, it would be Surya Kumar Yadav, and for Delhi, uh, it would be Rabada because the 4 overs which he bowled were outstanding. Not even Shikhar Dhawan because he didn't like being a set batsman who is on 60 for the last over. At least he should at least have a target of 170, around 170, because both the he played both Bumrah's overs, and even didn't even hit one boundary.
Hmm.
And Alex Carey coming out new in the middle, he should have supported him. Like we can't even expect Alex to come and slog some 5 to 6 sixes from nowhere, and Shikhar Dhawan being there for around, like he played the
Oh,
whole 20 overs, and he didn't even like show us the intent he wanted to make runs. He was just changing bats, gloves, but even he didn't do anything as we had expected him to do.
yeah.
So again, Rabada and Surya Kumar, one each for me.
Atharva for you?
Uh, yeah, I think Rabada from Delhi, because like even though Shikhar like scored 60 odd runs, the only outcome of this innings was confidence. Like that's all he got from it, because you expect a person batting for 20 overs to score at least like 80-85
Yeah.
runs in
We
a
saw
game.
Virat Kohli do it the other day. And he was, but
Exactly.
that's Virat Kohli.
This
I
was,
can't really say
the
anything
start
about
was really slow, but he really
the way he picked up. Yeah.
change the gears towards the end. So it's Rabada and also a bit of Akshar,
Right.
like the way he bowled, very economical in those 4 overs. And because of Akshar, Rabada, I think took a wicket once because
Yeah.
of the
The
pressure
catch.
Akshar built up.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
The catch also.
And in Mumbai, I'd go with Surya Kumar. Yeah, definitely. The I think he's a his demonstration of manipulating the field, the way he finds gaps and the flamboyance is just like unmatched, and the consistency.
It's almost as if it's unexpected. He's the unexpected hero of Mumbai every season. Like he's been there for the last
Exactly.
No, he's just underrated.
He's
He's
very
just
underrated.
underrated. Like
Yeah.
I
yeah,
think he didn't get
and
his due when he was with KKR because he was a finisher back then.
Yeah.
He didn't really build up an innings and play like that.
Yeah.
But Mumbai has given him a great role to.
Anchor the innings. Yeah. If you look at it, he's released the pressure
Yeah,
of Rohit Sharma because at some point Rohit Sharma was like, I need to bat lower down the order because there's no one. I feel there needs to be some stability in
100%.
case we
Yeah.
lose top of the wickets. But with him in the squad, Rohit is like, okay, I'll open. Like I'll open every game. This is my
Exactly.
slot, and that's what.
I think he has filled up the place of somebody like Raidu perfectly. Like
Yeah,
the
yeah,
yeah,
definitely.
totally dependable.
I
Like
mean, I do see Surya Kumar going to Chennai once he is 33 or 34, 35 because
when
that's
he's eligible to
yeah,
play for.
yeah, that's a retirement home for Mumbai Indians players. Harbhajan has gone
uh,
there. Raidu has gone there.
in one of
Bravo
the
went there.
in one of the Chennai games recently, somebody asked like Stephen Fleming on the on-field interview, like, what do you think about the youngsters in your team? And Stephen Fleming was like, what, the youngsters in
Do we
that?
have? Do we have anyone?
He literally laughed, and the commentators burst out.
no, there was a meme yesterday that CSK players are like government jobs. Like they play for Chennai as per government jobs. Like आओ खेलो पैसा तो मिलेगा भाई बस खेलो जीतो हारो धोनी संभाल लेगा.
I mean, people are pretty. I think everyone's going really hard on them. I mean, you need to respect the fact they were there 10 out of 10 seasons they've played. ठीक है, एक season नहीं हो
Exactly.
रहा है तो it's fine. It happens.
But हार्ड भी जा रहे हैं तो भी I think that everybody wants them to qualify for the playoffs.
Yeah.
क्योंकि like हाँ
You never see someone feeling happy about the fact that CSK is not in the playoff contention.
exactly सबको
Everyone's
धोनी
like, बहुत
चाहिए
sad हो
सबको
रहा है
चाहिए
यार
हाँ
ये. हाँ. But see, I mean, we have seen them make comebacks before. In the 2010
yeah
season, 9 season, 2008, they've always made comebacks. And that's the thing with teams like Mumbai and CSK. Even though they have lost 5 and 6 and 7 games before, they've still made a comeback. Like Mumbai's game against Rajasthan in 2014, then 2015 when they won. They lost 5 in the
exactly
first 5 games, and they still won the
in
tournament
UAE
in UAE. Yeah, that was
The Ambani factor.
yeah, yeah. We have key players, but Ambani is our main player. But yeah, the next question is the interesting one. I obviously you guys have criticism about the other team. So what's your criticism for the opposition team in this game?
So let him start. Like I hear to him what you say.
वो जीता है, so he has the first preference.
हाँ मतलब वो
Yeah.
सोचेगा कुछ बना लेगा
हाँ.
नहीं कुछ तो समझ में आया कैसे कुछ तो मिलेगा.
हाँ.
अच्छा अरे नहीं मेरे लिए वही है कि मिडिल ओवर्स वो जो पीरियड था जिसमें श्रेयस अय्यर गया और उसके बाद like, काफी स्लो हो गया एंड स्टोइनिस पे आई थिंक वो बहुत ज्यादा डिपेंडेंट है
Yeah.
क्यों मतलब हाँ कि लास्ट 5 overs they were like कि स्टोइनिस आके संभालेगा but when Bolt and Bumrah bowl those 4 overs for you can't leave anything at the end. So I think that's the and in the fielding Prithvi Shaw really has to pull up his
Also, the
in
positioning
the
of the
fielding
fielding,
department.
maybe like considering Prithvi Shaw is not that fast and not that tall, they should have
Yeah,
at least
yeah,
kept him inside somewhere. जहाँ पे ball नहीं आती.
exactly in
Aran
the circle.
Aran you have heard this in the commentary last night. I bet you have heard this
Yeah,
in the
I've heard
commentary
this.
last night.
I've heard this, and अपन भी जब मैचेस खेलते थे, when we used to play matches in school, तभी यही बोलते थे कि सबसे वीक फील्डर थर्ड मैन पे जाएगा. मतलब वो एक
हाँ
reference
Yeah.
वो
exactly.
और that's what hit me कि मतलब अगर ये है, so why is he standing in a very important position? मतलब अगर bowler उधर ही डालने वाले हैं, they want to get a catch. That Surya Kumar was a wicket dude, वो जो गया वहाँ पे. But again, like that's how things work. What do
और
you
वो
have
भी है
for
कि ऑलरेडी इतने कैचेस देख लिए बाउंड्री पे ऐसे ड्रॉप होते हुए
हाँ,
सिक्स जाते
वही
हुए तो
exactly. Like
सोचना ही
if
चाहिए
someone
हाँ
like Manish Pandey and someone like who's that fielder? Uh,
अरे इसने
Fab
भी
du Plessis. Fab du Plessis.
Fab du Plessis.
Fab
उसने
du
ही
Plessis.
drop किया है, but I think he hasn't dropped much.
आई थिंक पूरन ने भी ड्रॉप किया ऐसा मतलब
पूरन
पकड़ा
yeah,
भी एक बहुत खतरनाक
हाँ,
बट
नहीं
ड्रॉप भी किया
जडेजा ने 2-3 ड्रॉप किया.
yeah. Yeah, I think
जडेजा
it was
ड्रॉप कर
Manish
सकता है
Pandey
मतलब
only who was at long off, and they were playing against Mumbai and he dropped a catch, but he caught the other three. So I mean, if you look at it, Prithvi Shaw needs to change his fielding position, or Delhi needs to do something like that. It was very surprising. Again, with the going by the commentary, to have someone like Ricky Ponting and Mohammad Kaif in your team and still not make that change. It's
एग्जैक्टली
yeah,
एग्जैक्टली
surprising.
मोहम्मद कैफ वाज एन इनसेन
Fielder, yeah.
फील्डर
Even Ponting for that matter. And they're very smart in
yeah
terms of cricketing
we
intelligence.
all remember that
Yeah,
superman
the
catch
guy, yeah. He was on this side. Yeah. Mohit, what criticism do you have for Mumbai?
So yeah, one I have two things to tell. One, thanks to Rohit Sharma for making it more complicated for Mumbai itself to win the game. And second, like even when it was 15th over when Surya Kumar was going really well, like we had lost hopes about it. Like abhi to jaan do yaar, kya jeetenge. Then Hardik Pandya comes in and he gets out. So I thank him also. See, why Kusto, you made it interesting for us, like because it was 158. It was so no, because I had seen a few memes about that. About Hardik Pandya, like it was Johnny Bairstow's birthday. SRH lost the match. Washington Sundar's birthday. RCB lost the match. And someone else's birthday,
Shit.
and they also lost. So, and Hardik Pandya's birthday was yesterday. So, भाई ये कुछ नया twist आ सकता है. And it was even Rohit Sharma's 150th game of IPL for Mumbai Indians itself.
Yeah.
So I thought अभी ये भी गया, हार्दिक भी गया, बोला भाई कुछ तो इंटरेस्टिंग. अंबानी का इस बार नहीं चलने वाला है, शायद से अपन ने कुछ किया है इस बार. Rabada, I thought no, because Rabada had one more over left when Hardik Pandya got out.
Yeah.
And
मतलब
even if Kunal had got,
हाँ बोलो
yeah, अभी कभी रबाडा का एक ओवर चले जाता और स्टॉनिस के ओवर में जो रनआउट आया कुणाल के ऊपर, वो 2 विकेट में फिर मैच खत्म था। फिर तो भाई 6 ओवर में 6 रन भी लगते तो दिल्ली could have taken it to their side.
Yeah.
So yeah, just thanking Mumbai for taking it to the last over and making our net run rate not fall that hard, which we had expected it in the 14th-15th over.
Yeah. I mean,
मतलब
that's how
कंक्लूजन है कि बर्थडे या 150th मैच नहीं होना चाहिए, ऐसे आइकॉनिक नॉर्मल बोरिंग डे होना चाहिए
normal
बस सब
boring day
players
होना
के।
चाहिए. Yeah. But honestly,
हाँ,
like
because it's a
before the match, I felt कि मुंबई आज हारेगा. मतलब आज नहीं लग रहा है मेरे को, थोड़ा ऑफ लग रहा है.
हाँ, मेरे को भी डर था इसी मैच के लिए,
Delhi is
मतलब ये
still-
हाँ
Yeah.
अरे पर हालात बदलती है, उनके जज्बात बदलती है।
Yeah, that's the thing with Mumbai. I've seen this a lot, where they lose when you don't expect them to lose. You know, they'll lose against teams like Kings 11 and RCB.
आरसीबी
Yeah, and then they'll win against teams like who are playing well.
सीएसके
Yeah, CSK. Like, क्या चल रहा है ये? Everyone beat CSK,
हाँ,
but
the
Mumbai
first
lost to CSK. मतलब ये तो
आई थिंक
disrespect हो
मुंबई
गया.
इज द सीएसके दिस सीजन, लाइक
Yeah,
फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट।
from the start, yeah. It's a thing. We have seen this with IPL, where whichever the team is first in the table, they always lose to the seventh or eighth team in the table, and that's what happened with Mumbai also. Mumbai was eighth, Punjab was first, and Mumbai's first victory of 2014 was against Punjab when Bailey and Maxwell were
ओके,
very strong.
इन
the Punjab
द
side.
यूएई वाला
UAE,
सीजन।
UAE season, yeah.
UAE वाला सीजन, हाँ।
Yeah.
Maxwell
I
was
think that's
going
when
terrible.
Hardik came in or something, or a season later or
आई
something,
गेस
somewhere around that.
No, Hardik
2015
came
आई
around
गेस
2015. 2015.
15, okay, yeah.
Hardik came in 2015.
बुमराह टू
Bumrah
both
too.
of them।
The same. They debuted the same year for Mumbai.
Yeah. So what are your predictions for the next tie? Do you think it's going to be close, or like is Delhi going to come back for revenge? I think Mumbai is going to
No,
lead.
Delhi for sure. Delhi for
Like yeah, Mumbai Delhi there's this thing where one match Mumbai wins, one match Delhi wins, and their head to head is also 10-10. Like before this match it was 10-10, now it's 11-10 to Mumbai. But I feel
Okay.
like Delhi has the chance to make it equal.